Hi guys, I'm Shraddha from Bonito Designs and this is Mr. Emmanuel Antony's house. This is Yash, is the designer of this beautiful house, and he's actually also the lead designer in North Branch. He's Mr. Kishan, he's a carpenter and he's done most of the work over here. And let me take you to a tour to this nicely designed house. So we are entering the house now, and this is the foyer area, and you see this beautifully stone cladded wall with rafter and spotlight, and the light is falling on it and it's making it look more beautiful. Here is a shoe cabinet with openable shutters, few drawers and drawers on top, and we've used two different colored laminates here with texture and it's glossy. Now you can easily sit over here and wear your shoes. Here you can approximately fit up to 30 shoes, and this is for the expensive shoe, and here you can keep your keys, and this you can use for the shoe polish and the brush. So if you see, here is a very clever design we have given, and it's an openable shutter to conceal the main switch of the house, and here we have given a very fancy cute little handle, and that's all. So maintaining the rhythm, we've used the same laminates in the TV unit over here. This entire paneling is covering the whole wall, and here we have left one open cabinet, one drawer, one cabinet with glass, and two drawers over here. Now here we have given ledges come rafter so that the spotlights can come and highlight these showpieces. So now I'm going to explain you about the false ceiling. Here we have designed a false ceiling which is a very minimal step design false ceiling, and we've used cove lights and we've used warm yellow lights which goes with the cladded wall, and we've used step shaped false ceiling, and to keep the foyer area simple we've made it into a rectangle, as well as the dining area is also a rectangle. Now here we have given an open shelf to keep the statue and the photo over here, and it's in a symmetry. We've used the same laminates as we've used in the TV unit and the foyer unit, which is this, and below this we've given a darker laminate which is blue texture. Now just to give a little partition between the living and the dining, we've given a partition wall with ledges, and we've put a glass frame over here. And if you see, there are spotlights inside this, and if you come on the other side, then you see it actually converts into a crockery unit, which is a very clever design. We've given two drawers here and two openable shutters over here. Now this is a small bar unit which my client wanted. We've given a cute little spotlight over here, and it's giving it a very finished, complete look. So we are in the kitchen now. We have used Fiesta Rose laminate which looks beautiful in this kitchen. This is a tall unit with two openable shutters, and this is an open cabinet. This is open space for the microwave. Again, we have given some drawers over here. Now if you see, we have given tandem boxes here. Here is a bottle pull out, and this whole thing is modular. And here was a difficult challenge because here was a concrete block, but we had to make it into modular. So we have made it into a modular, and this is a filler from us. Now all this you see very fancy handles, and the height, if you notice, it's 4 inches below the actual height, and still we made everything into modular. We have fitted the baskets, the tandem units very nicely over here. And talking about the top, we've used frosted glass which goes very nice with the Fiesta Rose. These are openable cabinets, these are some drawers, and if you see the top, it's just a place, it's just a unit to cover the duct. So we are in the master bedroom now, and as you see, this is a huge 3-door slider wardrobe with concealed handles. We've used blue glossy finish laminate here and on the loft, which is covering the entire wall. And just to give it a little bit of contrast, we've used white as a tinge and in the bottom of the loft. This is the kids' bedroom. You must be guessing looking at all these dinosaur pictures. Now over here we've given openable shutters for the wardrobe, and we have nicely sandwiched the red laminate between the white one and given very fancy candles. Now the loft we have made it into a white laminate because that gives a more wider look to the room. Hi sir.
Hi.
I just wanted to ask a few questions about the whole experience you had with Bonito, with our designer, with our carpenter Krishna and Kishan, sorry. And just tell me, how did you feel when you saw the house, when you saw it in the design which Yasha showed you, and when you actually entered the house and you saw that it's already done?
Yeah.
How was the feeling?
To be honest, let me explain the complete journey how I had with the Bonito.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know much about interiors. So when I got this house, I was planning for interiors and I was searching in the internet and other options. And the quality of the work and your work, the previous work, that gave me a good impression, and that made me to approach Bonito. And I basically understood what Bonito does overall, and I approached Bonito, and they gave me a complete roadmap, what would be the start point and the end point. And the design phase started, and Yash was the first person whom I interacted with. Since that phase till the end, till the handover, he was completely responsive to all my queries, and he was, I would say, is one of the very good asset for Bonito. And he was very kind enough to guide me in all the queries, whatever I asked. It's not only limited to Bonito's interiors. He also suggested various options or various vendors whom I can approach and do the best out of it. And also the person whom I need to mention over here is Ramesh, who is a project manager, and he's also, needless to say, a complete package whom Bonito got. And the success, whatever you are seeing right now, the result what we are seeing right now, it's because of all these persons whom you are seeing right now. And Kishan is the backbone behind, and who completely made the art from the design. So this is all my overall experience all about. And once they handed over to me when I entered, it was awesome. And still now, even if I have any doubts or anything, there is no flaws, to be honest. And if I find anything to be corrected, they are very openly comes up and they do it for me. So that's a wonderful experience.
That's great to know, and I'm glad that Yashish is so good with the designing and you're so happy.
Absolutely.
And with Kishan. And another question I want to ask is, if you want to rate Bonito's designing out of 10, how much will you do?
10 would be the ideal answer. Ideal answer. And even I'm recommending many of my friends to go with Bonito. Even they have come, even they have visited my place and they were impressed with the outcome. And
what about the execution part?
Execution part, professionalism. That's what I would say. The moment the materials were ready in the factory, I was informed, and nothing I did. I just handed over the keys to them. They took care of everything, and that reduced too much of overhead for me. I no need to poke and see what they are doing and all those things. So they took care of everything, and finally I got the completed house.
That's great to know. And what is the favorite part in this house?
The favorite part, I would say, the living room. What you are saying. Obviously, the match and the false ceiling along with the foyer unit and all those things. It came up very well.
That's great to know. And
Actually, sir wanted the black and white theme contrast
Oh.
throughout the house, and we started with foyer until the master bedroom. We could see the contrast all the way,
Yeah.
and he's completely happy with the laminates initially.
That's great to hear. So when you saw your designs and did you like agree to it at the first and were you like so sure that it's gonna come the same way it's there on the laptop?
No, he put up additional ideas, whatever in addition to whatever I asked, and we had a couple of iterations, not more than not much, a couple of iterations, and within that we froze the design and we went away.
Okay, so just for the conclusion, you might want to say a few lines for Bonito. How was the whole journey? And you already said that you will be recommending your friends
Yes.
to Bonito. So
Yes.
Just a conclusion I want.
Yeah, the journey was awesome, and if you want a quality and superb work, Bonito is the best.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you so much.
So this was all about Mr. Emmanuel Antony's house. If you have any queries, throw it at us on the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe. For more info, go to www.bonito.in, and for more Squadro furniture, go to squadro.in. Thank you. Bye.